Oh, sorry guys, I have muted myself. 1 second. Okay, I have muted myself for letting it out. Thank you for bringing it out. Fine. So guys, what I was explaining is organic compounds containing halogen. In the beginning of the session, I was just telling that I'll be explaining you something which is not there in your book also. Okay, fine. So alkyl halides mean without the ring. This is called the ring actually. This is aryl halide. Okay, and everything you can copy it down at the end of session. And today I'll be taking things which are not there in your book also, so you'll get a broader knowledge of the same. As well as I'll tell you which all questions will come for the exams too. So first one is how do we prepare the alkyl halide? First one, Groove's process. Treating ROH. R stands for alkyl group, CH3 or else CH3CH2, correct? Primary alkyl group is there, tertiary, secondary, and everything is there. So this will give me RO, HZnCl2, correct? And this undergoes two-step reaction. Two-step reaction in the sense what? It is SN2 reaction. So this is SN2 reaction. So which will give me what? Alkyl halide. R plus this OH I can write as HO, ZnCl2. Okay. Fine. Yes. So this is a two-step reaction. First step, second step. So if it's a two-step reaction, it is SN1 reaction. And if you don't know what is SN1 reaction, in the coming thing, I'll be telling you the same. So please copy down this thing, or else I'll be sending you this video also, whichever you feel like. So I think better I will send you these things. I think that will be better. So guys, I think later on you can copy down this thing. So what I was saying in the beginning is, I'll be taking which is there in the book as well as which will be coming for the entrance. A little bit of extra knowledge on the same. Okay, fine. And it's a very easy topic which I'm going to teach today. Preparation of alkyl halides, another step. It's a very small chapter, very easy chapter too. So later on you can copy down this thing, and these are not there in the book. Okay, Groove's process and all not there in the book. Later on I'll send you the video. That will be fine, I think so. Second one, Darson's process. Fine. So ROH. OH stands for alcohol. Okay, this is ROH plus SOCl2. Thionyl chloride. Will give me what? H and Cl react. HCl plus ROSOCl. Okay, and this happens in presence of pyridine. Okay, this happens in presence of pyridine. So I can just put pyridine here. And in examination, if you even if you don't write the catalyst name in your board examination, they'll give you the full mark. Fine. This is my first step. Second thing is what? Again, this HCl will react to C5H5. Okay, so this is only for the HCl, and for the Cl, this remaining Cl, ROSOCl, ROSOCl. Again, I'm treating with respect to chlorine, which will give me RCl, the alkyl halide, plus SO2 gives SN. This is my corresponding alkyl halide here. This is the preparation of Darson's process. So, if it is an entrance question, they will ask which mechanism is this? First question. Second question, what is the catalyst used? Pyridine. Third question, what is the final product? Alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. So these are the three questions that they can ask in entrance. And the same question has come in last year's CET. Okay, this question. So guys, I think later on you can see the video, or how do you want it, or you want to write it down? So I told you what is important. Okay, fine. So these steps are not that important. The which one, these things are not that important. Yeah, later on will be fine. Correct. Fine. So now you can just see the thing, whichever you feel important, the CET question, that you please note it down. Okay, fine. Other than that, you can, I'll just send you the video. That'll be fine. I think so. Fine. Next thing is action. Action of different organic compounds. Okay. Action of phosphorus halide on the alcohol. Fine. Same thing. ROH only I'm taking. PCl5 I'll take. PCl5 I'm taking it. So I'll get an alkyl halide, RCl. So why have I not written the other things? The other thing is plus HCl or the PO, Cl3. This is not important for us, because in the question, in your board exam, okay, if the question is, okay, what is the method of preparation of alkyl halide? The teachers want to see RCl as the answer. This and this is important. These are all the residue stuff. Okay, so these are all just a small component of this. That's all. Fine. So if you are able to write this in your board exam, you'll get full mark. But what we actually do, we will learn the entire stuff, but that is actually not important. Fine. And no need to balance also. This is the first one. Next one. By the addition of halogen to olefins. Olefins. Okay. If you don't know this thing, I'll tell you once it is done. So I'm just taking alkene here. Alkene meaning double bond. Haloalkene. Sorry. So what I'm doing in this is the double bond gets broken down here. That's the only thing. So RCH, what will happen in this is this double bond get broken and each bromine atom will be added to these things. That's all. That is the only reaction which is happening here. RCHBr. Okay, I'll put in bracket, and CH2Br. Simple thing. This is a simple mechanism. Addition of a halogen to olefins. So if you don't know what is this olefin, okay, actually we use it every time. Whenever we are having common cold, those who don't know what is olefin, I will just tell you. We'll common cold, small fever. Okay, it's a drug actually. Fine. And some allergy and all, we will be using this particular medicine. Okay. This is just an extra information I'm just telling you. Photohalogenation. Photo meaning light. Photohalogenation. So this reaction takes place in the presence of light. So a simple example I'll tell you. This is my own example. Methane plus chlorine plus H nu. That is nothing but our light. If you don't know what is this H nu, light. Light is nothing but what? Energy for us. E is equal to H nu, correct? Or what is our nu? C by lambda. This is a very important thing for the entrance also. E is equal to H nu or this particular thing. This full thing, guys. This full thing is very important for the entrance point of view. They will ask problems. E is equal to H nu or Hc by lambda. So in my class, I can able to connect and teach you. I can tell you what is coming for the exam, what is not. So what will happen? CH3Cl plus HCl, that's all. This is the interaction. Photohalogenation. So a lot of reactions we have to study, that's all. Fine. Coming to the next one. Displacement of one halogen atom by another. Okay. Just like our ordinary displacement reaction, that's all. RCl plus sodium iodide. Displacement of one halogen by another halogen atom. That's it. This is not required. This is just for extra information I'm just putting. So chlorine will get replaced by iodine here. Ri plus sodium chloride, NaCl. That's what. Fine. Next one. This you might not have heard. Bonodine Hunsdijker. Hunsdijker reaction. So there are a lot of reactions in this. Fine. If you're able to study everything, we are sure to get a rank. RCO2 Ag plus bromine will give me what? RBr plus CO2 plus AgBr. So which means I'm getting a alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. Because all are for preparation of alkyl halide only. Here I'm getting what? Silver bromide. This again is silver halide. That's it. So if you ask me how an entrance or the 1 mark question they will ask you, for example, if I'm taking entrance question, they'll give 4 options. Okay, they will say which of the one is for the preparation of alkyl halide, and they will give you this name. Okay, this is how this is 2015 paper. Actually, KCET 2015. KSET 2015, set set C. This is set C paper actually. So they will ask what, which of the following shows the preparation of an alkyl halide, and they'll give you this option and 3 more. But since you have not heard about this, we won't mark this option. We'll mark some other thing, which is not the correct answer. So like that also they can ask in the entrance examination. For that purpose only I gave you this particular question. Next topic is method of preparation of aryl halides. Methods of preparation of aryl halides. First method, halogenation. AR stands for aryl. Okay, instead of ring, I'm just writing aryl. That's all. And I think we all know what is the Lewis base. Will give me what? Aryl halide plus HX. This HX may be HCl or some whatever it is. Okay, halogenation. That's all. Second one, from diazonium salt. By hearing the name itself, we may get worried. But kindly do not worry because you have a chapter called amines. Okay. And then you will study a separate topic for diazonium salt. N2 plus X minus. Okay. This is my diazonium salt normally. Fine. Okay. N2 plus X minus. How do we prepare from diazonium salt? So this X can be what? Halogen, chlorine, iodine, or whatever it is. Let's see some examples. Then you will be able to understand. Okay. So first example, C6H5. So I think you know what is this thing. C6H6 is what? Benzene. If one of the hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, correct? That is what halo, or there is a chlorobenzene. This is a chlorobenzene. Now what I'm going to do is, one hydrogen I am replacing with what? Diazonium salt. So that is N2Cl, N2 plus Cl minus. This plus HBF4 will give me what? C6H5F. That's all. So this is called Schiemann reaction. Schiemann reaction. And next one is the most important of all. The next one which I'm going to discuss. Same thing, C6H5, N2Cl minus. That is N2 plus and Cl minus. Okay. Plus CuCl, copper chloride. You give me C6H5Cl. Without this question, there is no chemistry paper set. Entrance or board. Sand-Meyers reaction. Fine. The last one, Getterman reaction. Same thing, C6H5, N2 and Cl, same. But this time I'm just using copper powder. Will give me what? C6H5 and Cl. This is called Getterman reaction. So guys, just give me a minute. I'll just drink one sip of water and come. So guys, so there is a reason that I wrote down each and everything. Okay, here. For me, I don't know whether you can see the screen. Let me just put it. Where is my word? See, if I want, I can put it as in word and show you these things. You got the point. This is my notes on which I prepared. Correct? But the problem is that if I'm doing that particular kind of teaching, fine, especially for chemistry or any other subjects. Is my voice clear to everyone? Is it audible and clear? Yeah. But if I'm doing that kind of teaching, it won't be effective. Okay, fine. I have been class 12th. I know how difficult is this chemistry. But let me tell you one thing openly. For those who felt chemistry is difficult. Okay. So I've been taking this entrance coaching for 5 to 6 years actually. 4 years full time. 4 years has just come. July, it's been my fourth year full time in this. Okay. So being myself as a student, so this thing I just paused the recording. Okay. So this thing, I don't want to pause it. Okay. So the reason is I have to make sure that one second, guys. Yeah. So the reason I written down each and every point, okay, I have written this E is equal to H nu is equal to Hc by lambda. Fine. All of this thing I have written down in a way that chemistry is very easy actually compared to all other subjects. There are a lot to study, but actually speaking, it's very easy compared to physics and maths in terms of scoring. Fine, but we have to make sure that we by heart all the reaction. Correct. So almost all the years, the crash course program which I take, okay, so there I face a lot of new students. So in my batch, around 35 students are there this time in the crash course. Okay. So from all of them, what I hear is organic chemistry, they don't know. Fine. Correct. So there may not be a good mentor to teach them. Okay. Or else what is required, they haven't learned. Correct. So a lot of things are there like that. But I am telling you from my experience today, what I told you, San May's reaction is important. Correct. This is the most important thing, and without this, no paper is set. Board exam, I'm talking. I'm not even talking about entrance. Correct. Entrance also, I told you what questions are coming, what is the thing. Yes. And once you are preparing for entrance or anything, we have to know a lot of things. So that's the reason first itself I give you Groove's reaction. Groove's process. Fine. Groove's process I have given you for that purpose only. Okay, I'm just getting an alkyl group in that. In the Groove's process, I'm not getting alkyl halide. I'm just getting an alkyl group into it. That's it. Fine. I'm not getting an alkyl halide. Groove's process, I'll just get an alkyl group. Fine. So coming to these things, I thought that I have to make sure that I cannot deliver you a PPT. Fine. If I do a PPT, that is not the right way to teach. Okay. Because you have to feel how much effort I am putting it down. Okay. And one more thing is, I thought I will say it in the last, but I want to complete the portions by August itself. Okay. By August last, if I'm able to complete everything, okay. Let's hope. Okay. I'll try my level best to complete everything by August last itself. Fine, but I need your full cooperation as well as your enthusiasm on the same. Then only it will be successful. Fine. Then if you are for the board exam as well as for the entrance examination, I can train each one of you individually. That is not a problem for me. Okay. So that is the whole reason I am just writing it down. But I want everyone to put an extra effort from their end. Okay. In this 2 months of time, July and August, I don't think the school will be opening anytime soon due to the rise in corona. It's not advisable to go outside. So that's the reason I'm telling you. Fine. So guys, anyone who's did not understand anything now, let me know now itself. So coming to the last thing, here it is a preparation of aryl halides. Correct? With this and one halogen, that's it. Everything is with this and what? Halogen. That's the only thing which I want. Here I am removing this N2, okay. N2 and copper, I am just removing it off, that's all. In Getterman reaction, again what I'm doing, I'm attaching a chlorine with the aryl organic compound, that's all. Fine. So no need to worry if you are not knowing the organic chemistry. Fine. So I'll talk to you once end of session. Okay, I'll call in, I'll speak with you. For the students who told me, someone especially. So coming to the SN1 and SN2 reaction, I'll tell you what kind of questions they will ask. Everything I'll explain to you clearly. Okay. SN1 first I will take. SN1 reaction. So it is normally called two-step reaction. Two-step reaction. Fine. In the first step, alkyl halide is there. Correct. That gets split into what? R plus and X minus. So RCl is there, it will split into what? R plus and Cl minus. X is the halogen here. Fine. Is it clear? In the second step. Fine. In the second step. So this R, okay, this R plus reacts with a nucleophile. Reacts with what? Nucleophile. If you don't know what is nucleophile, I'll just write it down. Nu, I'm writing down. No, that will be fine, I think so. Nu. Nu means nucleophile. Nucleophile in the sense electron heating, or else it donates electron, or else it donates electrons. Okay. So this gets attached with what? A nucleophile to form RNU. This is my SN1 mechanism. SN1 mechanism, I'll just write. Okay, fine. First thing is what? It gets splitted. Correct? It gets splitted. Fine. So these are the two important steps in this. The next one, rate of this reaction. We got something called kinematics. Okay, fine. Kinematics. Under that, it will come chemical kinetics for you. One chapter is there, chemical kinetics. So here, the rate, this is a first order reaction. This is what SN1 mechanism is, a first order reaction. So we will have something called zeroth order, first order, second order. So this is a first order reaction. These are the important things in which what? SN1 mechanism. Fine. Next one. The reactivity. tertiary is greater than, secondary is greater than, primary greater than CH3. Okay. So tertiary alkyl halide, which means what? Third degree. If you don't know what is third degree, which means what? R, correct? Carbon is there, one more R, this R. This is one halogen. This is my third degree, tertiary. Secondary meaning what? There will be only two, three, here it is 3 R's are there, correct? In secondary, there will be only 2 R. Primary only single R. This one, no R is only there. Primary meaning what? R, C and X, that's all. R, C and X. Primary. Okay. This I just did as alkyl halide, that's it. Alkyl halide. So this is the reactivity of what? SN1 mechanism. Now coming to my SN2 mechanism. Okay. So it is a one-step mechanism. SN2 was two-step. This is a one-step mechanism. So directly what happens to the Rx? The nucleophile get attacked. The nucleophile will attack it. To give me what? RNU plus this X minus. This is my SN2 mechanism. X minus is here, okay? And here the reactivity series will be what? Just the opposite of that. CH3 is greater than, primary greater than, secondary greater than, tertiary. This is the reactivity series. Okay. And the rate is a second order. The rate is, there it was first order, here it is second order. The rate is second order. Second order reaction. SN1 was first order, this is second order reaction. So these are the important things which you have to know. Now we'll study about reaction of alkyl halides. Reaction of alkyl halides. First one, hydrolysis. Which means hydrolysis means what? Either H plus or OH minus ion. Hydrolysis. So here I can clearly write what? Rx plus OH minus will give me what? ROH plus X minus. Simple thing. Second one, Williamson synthesis. Williamson synthesis. All of these are theoretical thing which we have to by heart and keep. Fine. So RONA plus R dash X. R dash meaning a different type of it. So if this is CH3, this can be what? CH3, CH2, C2H5. Okay, that's the only difference. Which means both the alkyl compounds are different. That's all. So which is what will happen here? R and R dash will join, and NaX. Okay, NaX. Even if I don't write NaX, that's not a problem. Here R dash is the important thing here. I told you the major product we are writing in the examination. That's all. Third one, reaction with dry silver oxide. reaction with dry silver oxide. So 2Rx plus Ag2O will give me ROR. So ROR is nothing but what? It is an ether. Who does not know, please write down this thing. Ether, ester, lot of things are there. Okay. So don't worry. This is a basic chapter. And in the coming chapters, you got something called alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Everything is there. So you'll study in detail. Fine. No need to worry at all. Even if you don't know organic chemistry, I'm there to help you out to get full mark in the examination. And the problem with all of us is organic chemistry, we keep on forgetting. That is the reason I'm recording all of the sessions which you have attended. Okay, so that you'll be able to remember all of this stuff. That's all. The next one, reaction with potassium cyanide. Reaction with potassium cyanide. There is nothing but red color itself or KC. This is fine. Potassium K, cyanide KCN. CN is C triple bond N. Okay, CN is C triple. Just for information, I'm just telling you. That's all. KCN plus XR will give me what? This R. Where is it? This R will get attached with what? Cn. That's all. So I'll get RCN in this. RCN plus KX. That's the important thing here. That's my fourth one. Fourth reaction. Fifth one, reaction with silver nitrite. So I'm writing down everything in points so that it'll be easy for you to remember. Okay. So this is nothing but AgNO2 silver nitrite. AgNO2 plus XR will give this. R will get attached to the NO2, RNO2 plus AgX. Sixth one, reaction with silver cyanide. Reaction with silver cyanide. So instead of NO2, I'll just put Cn. Same thing only, XR. So what I'll get? R, Cn or RNC. That's not a problem. RCN I can put it out. Plus this AgX. So the next three things which I'm going to say is very important. Okay. And which will come for your board exam as well as entrance examination. Especially for the CET. This is my sixth one, so seventh one. Very important. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, very, very important. So Rx plus one benzene ring, C6H6 plus aluminum chloride, anhydrous aluminum chloride. So this will be CH5 and R. That's all. The next one, Wood's reaction. Wood's reaction. These two are very, very important. 2Ri plus 2Na will give me what? Sodium iodide, NaI plus RR. There are two R's. That's the reason it is RR. That's all. Ninth one, reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia. Rx plus this is alkyl halide. Everything is alkyl halide I'm treating. Okay. Every reaction is with respect to alkyl halide. Plus NH3 is giving us what? RNH2 plus HX. That's all. This R and NH2. Then this hydrogen, just like HCl or whatever it is.